Good day to you, everybody. Isaac here, wishing you a happy Friday the 13th here, January 2023. So, what kind of blade do you carry for Friday the 13th? Do you carry your machete today and pretend you are Jason Voorhees? Or you pack a chainsaw? What else does Jason use? I think in one he had a cool spear gun. You could go that route. That's unique. For me, it's the Emerson CQC Model 13. 13 for Friday the 13th. Oh, what a knife. We'll get some sausage patties here. Oh man, sliced off the piece, but whatever, they're still good. Time for breakfast. Friday the 13th. Get yourself a 13 oriented special knife for Friday the 13th. Have a great day, everybody.